What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. Eurusd is offering up something quite nice, so let's jump onto the charts. I'll show you why we're going to take the trade, or why we have taken the trade, and watch it do its thing. So let's go. All right, so this is the trade, and relatively simple trade. Basically, we've been in some consolidation for a little while today. One thing to note is that we have recently taken the liquidity off the bottom of the Asia range. Okay, you can see down here. And then we've kind of been in some consolidation. Now, in my experience, seeing this happen quite a lot, usually when we take the low of the range, we tend to like to come and fill the high of the range. Now, that doesn't always happen, but how to tell whether it might do that or not is if it closes back inside the range. So if we go into the 30-minute chart and we look at where the range ends, and I actually like to do it on the closures, you can see we took the liquidity underneath this low, and then we closed back inside the zone. Okay, we did it once and twice, and now we're pushing up. We're in an overall upward trend here, as you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, maybe looking up to make a new higher high. We've also had a change of character in the long-term trend down here, as we had a new lower low, then we made it a new higher high, changing the character of the trend. We then had a push back, and this never broke below this low, making a new lower low. So we're in a macro upward trend and also a minor upward trend as well. So the 10-minute chart basically gave us an interesting setup on the let me just make sure I've got the it's on the 50 MA. And basically we pushed up with a nice bullish candle. Then we had a bearish candle, which basically is a test of the 50. We then had a new candle open, which didn't break out the low. It respected it and then has broken straight out the high, and that is the trigger for our entry to show that price is potentially going to move up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a first TP up around this area here, but ideally I'm just going to go all the way up to our first TP there, which is 8.4 pips, and I will let you know how this goes. Potentially I will bring my stop loss to break even, or maybe take some profits at this point. And then we can see how the trade progresses from there. All right, looking good. Price is pushing pretty heavily into the right direction. Just going to look at the other situations. You can see here we had a nice break above on the 15. We then had a attempt to push down, didn't want to, broke up again. We broke out the high, and we're kind of continuing this upward trend. We didn't make a new lower low here, and in fact we've had a change of character in the trend here. It's kind of very not easy. Oh, look at that. Right, stop loss is going to break even. I'm going to look at the amount of profit we're in and decide whether I want to take half or not. I'm going to take half. Nice. And then I'm going to move stop loss to break even. Yeah, it's pretty decent. It's getting towards the end of the day as well. It's 5 o'clock. So I'm going to take that profit. What am I doing? 8949. Moving this to break even. And that is just going to set a full TP up here at around the top here. And that is everything said and done. So we are now risk-free, 50% taken. TP1 was, I don't know, around this area here. And we can now see what happens. If we get stopped out for break even, it is what it is. If we keep on going, it is what it is. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit, guys, with an update. Okay, guys, and this trade now has hit break even. We pushed up, we've pulled back, and that 50% runner is no longer running. It is now dead. But we didn't lose anything, which is good. So yeah, pretty good day on Eurusd there. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, I changed my hat because I'm going out now. Somewhere nice. Bye.